In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Google Slides. If you've ever wondered how to get started with this powerful presentation tool, you're in the right place. Signing into Google Slides is a straightforward process, but it's essential to have a Google account to access it. Once you have that, you're all set to dive into the world of creating and managing presentations with ease. Let's walk through the steps together. First, we'll begin by accessing Google Slides. There are a couple of ways to get there, and I'll take you through both. You can head directly to the Google Slides website by typing slides.google.com into your browser's address bar, or you might prefer to open Google Drive if that's what you're more familiar with. Either way, both routes will bring you to the same destination. Next, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. Typically, this sits comfortably at the top right corner of the Google Slides homepage. It's marked clearly as Sign In, making it easy to find. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click it to proceed to the next step. The next screen will prompt you to enter your Google account credentials. This is where you type in your Google account email address followed by your password. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're using the one that's linked to the work or personal projects you want to access. Remember, this step is crucial for security, so ensure your password is correct before hitting enter. Once you're all signed in, you're in for the exciting part. With your account verified, you'll now see your Google Slides dashboard where you can access any presentations you've made in the past. You can start a new project or manage existing ones right from here. It's seamless and designed for your convenience. Now, if you're wondering about alternative ways to access Google Slides, I've got a tip for you. You can find Google Slides through the Google Apps Launcher, which is the grid of dots located in your Google account interface. Click on that grid, and you'll find Google Slides among the options. Also, if you're in a hurry and need to whip up a presentation instantly, here's a quick shortcut. Simply type slides.new in a new browser tab, and this will open up a brand new Google Slides presentation ready for you to start creating. It's an efficient way to jump directly into your work without any extra clicks. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to signing in to Google Slides. Whether you're crafting a new presentation from scratch or managing your existing ones, I hope this guide helps you navigate the platform with ease. Thanks for joining me today and happy presenting.